Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through unclogging a drain without chemicals. Not the whole job, but the teaser version. Enough that you can decide whether this is 10 minutes for you tonight or whether you need a plumber. Here's the scene. The kitchen sink is filling when you run the tap. The toilet stays full too long before it drains. The shower leaves you standing in 3 inches of water, and your instinct is to reach for a bottle of Drano. Don't do it. The single biggest mistake on this job. You pour cleaner in, it doesn't reach the clog, it damages the pipe, and it makes the next step worse. Once a sink has caustic liquid in it, you can't plunge without chemical burns, and you can't snake without wrecking the cable. Before you buy anything, diagnose. Almost every clog is past the P-trap in the branch drain. Hair around a stopper, rice or coffee grounds hardened into a mass, food and grease, a physical obstruction. You can't dissolve it, you move it. Here's what the job actually looks like in order of effort. Start with a plunger. Fill the sink with 2 inches of water. Cover the overflow hole with a wet rag held firmly against the basin. That single step is what most people miss, and it doubles the force that reaches the clog. Press down slowly to seal, then pump 6 to 8 times firm. Pull up hard on the last stroke. If the plunger doesn't clear it, and it's a kitchen sink, try the wet-dry vac trick. Seal the vacuum hose against the drain with a wet rag. Cover the overflow. Set the vac to wet mode. 15 seconds of suction pulls the clog out backwards. If that fails, run a 25-foot hand snake. Crank steady, feel for the clog, work it through, then pull it out. For a toilet, use a closet auger, not a regular snake. The rubber sleeve protects the porcelain, the traps I see on this job. Using a chemical cleaner first, plunging without covering the overflow, using a toilet plunger on a kitchen sink, feeding a snake with no tension control and wedging it, and skipping the strainer that would have prevented the clog in the first place. And one more thing, if flushing a toilet causes water to come up in the shower drain, or the washer backs up into a floor drain, stop. That's a main line block. Stop using water in the house and call a plumber. The guide tells you exactly when you're there. For the full step-by-step, the 3 tools that actually work, and the 4 signs the clog isn't yours to clear, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.